Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome. So today I'll be talking about Grassy Starlight Speaking. So how can you get this Android application on officialgrass.io.com? So if you are farming grass, and if you are not even farming, get into this now. We don't know when it's going to end, but we pray it ends soon. So this is your grass, www.grass.io/download. I'll put it in the description of this video so that you can search for it on your own. And if you try to download this app, you can see this app is protected. It has a password which I had and it's expired. So I have this app which I'm going to post on my Telegram channel. So if you try to download it, if you try to download others, you see that others is going to work, but if you try to download the Android app, it's not going to work. So I don't know when they're going to bring it out, when they're going to make it available on Play Store. I'll be putting the link in the description below. This is my channel, legit updates, crypto updates, where we share and make money. So guys, you have to join. So I'm going to show you the interface of how this app looks like. So look at it. So let's take a look at it inside, and this is how the apps look like. This application look like. So this is it, connected in 3x. So dump all those web version and focus on this, which is on my Telegram channel. So this app is 3x, which is more than the desktop. You can see, observe, it's more than the desktop, it's more than the normal mining on your phone, on your extension. So this is my Telegram channel. So I'll drop in the link in the comment section in the description of this video, so you can join. This is the app. Just download the app and start. So this is the Grass network. Okay. You can still join our WhatsApp channel where we drop updates too. Different kind of updates, free updates which you can make money from. Daily updates, weekly payment, monthly payment. So you can just get on and join us. Join us on our WhatsApp and our Telegram channel. Anyone that is suitable for you, you can join.